how to create advertisement video for your product. If you are selling product and you want to start creating advertisement videos or UGC videos, in this video I'm going to show you how you are going to do it step by step. All the AI tools you are going to be using is free. You don't need to pay for any AI tool. You don't need credit. Everything is free. All you need is just to watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how you are going to do it with your smartphone. You can use your own image. You can use somebody's image. You can just use any product you want, any product you are selling. You can do advertisement or UGC video for it. Something like this.
Have you ever looked at your skin and wondered why it still feels dry, dull, or tired no matter what products you try? Honestly, I was dealing with the same thing until I discovered something that completely changed my skincare routine. This is Nivea Cream. It's now part of my daily skincare routine because it helps keep my skin feeling moisturized, smooth, and refreshed. It absorbs quickly, doesn't feel heavy, and it's super easy to use every day. Since I started using Nivea Cream, my skin feels much better cared for and more comfortable throughout the day. If you're looking for a simple solution, check the link in the comments and see if Nivea Cream is right for you.
Now you see the type of video you just watch. How you can be creating this type of video and any type of advertisement video, UGC videos. That is what I'm going to show you right now in this video. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Now, the first thing you are going to do to start your video, you first of all go to ChatGPT where we are going to generate our advertisement script. So now I have this master prompt here. This master prompt that I've drafted everything. So this master prompt is going to be on my Telegram channel. So if you have not joined my Telegram channel, go and join my Telegram channel right now. So as I copy the master prompt right now, the first thing I will do, let me go to my Telegram channel and I'm going to post it there so that I will not forget. So let me go to my Telegram channel so that for some people that says I don't used to drop a link on my Telegram channel. So this is my Telegram channel here, Numpe Flavor TV. So I'm going to paste the master prompt. So go to my Telegram channel right now and you're going to copy the master prompt. So after you copy the master prompt, you come back to ChatGPT and you paste the master prompt here. You just paste it, and after you paste it, make sure you check the master prompt. Make sure you check it out and you are going to see where it says where you are going to put your product name here. As you can see, you are going to see, just read it through, video style. As you can see, just read it through. So as you can see, product name. So if you have a product name, you can put it here. Let's say the product I want to work on right now is Nivea cream. Nivea, I think it's written like this. Nivea cream. Nivea cream. Product type, let's say cream. Then audience, target audience. Who do you want to sell the product to? Put it here. Let's say for man and woman. I'm just seeing certain example for you guys. Then main problem solve, skin. It's a skincare. Let's say skincare. Insight benefit. So if you have website that you are promoting, or there's a promo code, you can put the website here. If there is promo code, you can put it here. The website, you can put it here. Social offer. If you have another expert offer, like you want people to have your own promo code, you have a promo code, you can put it here. Where you say call to action, you can say go to my comment section. Link, you can say link in the comment section. You can also put that here section. So after you put everything, the next thing you are going to do is click on generate. And if you have the image of the product, you can also upload the image of the product. You can just click on this plus icon and you upload the image of the product. But I don't have any image right now, so let me just click on generate. And after you click on generate, ChatGPT is going to analyze it. As you can see, Nivea cream, 30-second video, UGC advertisement. As you can see, this is the image, this is the dialogue, and this is everything you need. This is everything you need to generate that video. So now the first thing you are going to do is to come back to your first scene here. If you are using this prompt, you are going to get this type of result. So you just come to where it says image prompt here and you copy this image prompt. copy this image prompt, and after you copy this image prompt, make sure you go and open your Google Flow app. I've shown you guys how you can download the app before, so I don't need to show you again. Then you click on new here. Now when you click on new, it's going to open like this. Then you put it on image. You put it on image like this. As you can see, it's on image. Then the next thing, you paste that your prompt here. Then your aspect ratio, you can set that. I've shown you guys how you can do this before. Then you click on generate. So it's going to generate your image you are going to use for the person, for the advert. You can use your own image. You can use your own image. You can use somebody's image. You can use any image. You upload your image and tell him to use your own image. It will use your image as a reference, or you just upload an image like this. Now, as you can see, this is the image of the person I want to use. As you can see, this is the image. I'll just click on download, and I'm going to save the image to my phone. Now, you can also do one thing here. All you just need to do after generating the image, you just go back to ChatGPT, and you're going to see where it says dialogue here. As you can see, dialogue. You just copy from this dialogue down like this. You copy it down like this, down to this place where it says into. You copy it down to camera movement. After you copy it, go back to the AI tool. You are going to say animate here. As you can see, animate. Then you tap on this animate. Now, when you tap on this animate, you paste that prompt you copy now. After you paste it, you type on this animate here, so that you are going to set it on omni flash. As you can see, omni flash. You put it on omni flash, and you put it on 10 seconds. Then after you put it on omni flash and 10 seconds, the next thing, you click on generate. And when you click on generate, it's going to start generating your video. Your first clip is going to turn this image direct to video. This image is going to turn it direct to video, and you guys are going to see the result, and I'm going to show you how it will look like. So let's wait for the result before we generate our second image and also generate our video. Now our video is ready. As you guys can see, the video is ready here. Let me tap on it. So this is the video. Let me play it.
Have you ever looked at your skin and wondered why it still feels dry, dull, or tired no matter what products you try? Honestly, I was dealing with the same thing until I discovered something that completely changed my skincare routine. Have you ever looked at your skin and wondered why it still feels
Now, as you can see, this is the first
dry,
clip here.
dull, or tired no matter what products you try? Honestly, I was dealing with the same thing until I discovered something that completely changed my skincare.
Now, as you can see, this is just an example of the cream, because I don't know actually the cream. So you can just click on download here. Click on this three dots up here. You click on download, and you are going to download your first video clip to your phone. Now, after you download it, the next thing you are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT. Now, you are going to see scene 2 here. As you can see, image model here. So you copy something like this. You copy it, then you go back to the AI, the image again. You tap on the image, you click on edit, and you paste that prompt you just copied, the image prompt you copy from ChatGPT, and you click on generate. It's going to generate your second image for you using the first image as the reference image. We are just trying to edit that image to match our second image, and we are going to match everything together. And you can also use the first image to continue generating your video. Each one you use, it will work perfectly for you. Now let's wait for the result of the image, and after I generate the image, I'm going to show you the next thing you are going to do. Now, as you can see, the same person here is the person here. Are you guys seeing it? Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. Then we are going to copy from dialogue again, just like we did the other time. You copy the dialogue like this to this camera movement, and after we do that, the next thing, we go back here, we click on animate again, and we are going to paste our prompt now. After pasting with the prompt, we click on animate, and make sure this one is also on 10 seconds again, and it's on omni flash. Then after that, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate, and it's going to generate our second video clip. Now, after we generate the video clip, we are still going to go back to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt and generate our third prompt, our third video. And after we generate it, we are going to take it to CapCut, and we are going to add everything together. And from there, we are going to get a perfect result like this.
Have you ever looked at your skin and wondered why it still feels dry, dull, or tired no matter what products you try? Honestly, I was dealing with the same thing until I discovered something that completely changed my skincare routine. This is Nivea Cream. It's now part of my daily skincare routine because it helps keep my skin feeling moisturized, smooth, and refreshed. It absorbs quickly, doesn't feel heavy, and it's super easy to use every day. Since I started using Nivea Cream, my skin feels much better cared for and more comfortable throughout the day. If you're looking for a simple solution, check the link in the comments and see if Nivea Cream is right for you.
Now, you guys are seeing the video we just generated right now. So, if you are coming across this channel for the first time, now you have seen everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and also share this video. See you guys on our next video.